Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Madden NFL 27 EA Play 10 hours trial. So there are two ways to get the 10 hours trial for this game. First is using Game Pass. So you'll need PC only Game Pass or Ultimate Game Pass to get the 10 hour trial, because with these Game Passes you'll get EA Play. So after you have subscribed to the Game Pass, just go to the Xbox app and search for Madden NFL 27. After that, select the Madden NFL 27 store page, and then you should be able to find the download option here once you have got the Game Pass, and then you will be able to enjoy the 10 hours trial. For the second method, we need to install EA app on our computer. After that, open the app, sign up here with your account, and then get subscription of either EA Play or EA Play Pro. If you get the standard EA Play subscription, then you should be able to get the 10 hour trial for Madden NFL 27, and then you can just select the download option from here. Once the game is downloaded, you can just click play and play the game for 10 hours trial. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.